sea, home by the sea, home by the sea. Creeping up the blind side, shining up the wall, stealing through the dark of night, climbing through a window, step into the floor, checking to the left and the right, picking up the pieces, putting them away. Something doesn't feel quite right. Help me, someone, let me out of here. Then out of the dark we suddenly heard, welcome to the home by the sea. Coming out the woodwork through the open door, wishing from above and below. Shadows but no substance in the shape of men, round and down and sideways they go. Adrift without direction, eyes that hold despair, and it's one beside